On August 6th, Max Gracia Jr. was treated in a way that we wouldn't treat the worst among us or a rabid animal. He was a detainee under the care and control and custody of the jail, and he was treated in a way that is rather unimaginable in this day and age. He was had wounds and injuries, puncture wounds from dog bites that were inflicted by canine, and he was taken appropriately to Orlando Regional Medical Center for treatment of those injuries and that trauma. He was then released, and he was taken to the Orange County Jail, where for 4 days he languished in pain as infection and fever raged through his body, and ultimately he died.
My children, my everything. I was adopted. I was told I was found in the trash can. So I never knew any biological family. It took me 3 years to conceive. So my children are my everything, the only blood that I have. And that was taken from me.
He had fellow inmates tell the officials there that he needed help, and the nurses, when they came to treat him, basically claimed that he was feigning his injury and that he was basically not hurt, and they showed what we believe was a deliberate indifference to his care and his health, and he died while in the care, custody, and control. It should have never happened. He should have been listened to, and we are here today to announce that the lawsuit has been filed, and the family is primarily concerned to make sure that something like this never happens again.
And it's not fair because it's not about the money. It's not about the money. It's not. You can't treat a human being that way. It doesn't matter about color, race, none of that matters. My son screamed and lay there in agony and pain, dying. My God, I don't sleep. My daughter takes care of me. I've become a burden to my child because I don't eat. I can't sleep. She drives me mostly everywhere. I don't know, and I don't know any other way to right this wrong but to sue. What can you do? The money won't bring him back, but that's the only thing we have.
It's just shocking to see that here in 2017 that injustices are still occurring, transparencies are still not there. I'm looking for justice for my son. And not only justice for him, but justice for just the public in general. And that the way my son was treated in the jail, even at the Orange County Animal Shelter, they would not allow you to treat an animal like that. The injuries he sustained were severe. I don't know how he even made it out of the hospital. I've seen people in the hospital for far less than that. Having a canine on my son for over 3 minutes and being beaten by officers was unacceptable, and there was no excuse for that type of force to be placed upon him. I ask that the state and everyone else that's involved in this case that know about it, that they look into this matter, and I'm sure that my attorneys will fight for justice for my son and for the public in general.
Thank you, Mr.
That's all I have to say. Thank you.